Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the A sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. The A sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word ow, or at the middle of the word, like tao, or at the end of the word, like cá. Now let's see how to pronounce the A sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed right behind bottom front teeth. Your tongue should be relaxed, flat, and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth wide. Stretch your lips slightly and keep them relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the A sound is it is a long sound, so you have to prolong the sound a little bit inwards, like ow, tao, cá. Now let's take a look at the word ow. So we can hear that in this word, the A sound is very long, so you have to prolong the A sound inward, like ow. Now let's practice the A sound in words. First, the A occurs at the beginning of the word. I'm going to say each word, then you'll have few seconds to copy my pronunciation, exactly how I pronounce the sound. Okay, so the first word is an. An. Anh. Ảnh. Ao. Áo. Ai. Ác. Áp. Now the A occurs at the middle of the word. Cát. Bát. Cam. Cao. Chào. Táo. Cám. Canh. Mạnh. Bánh. Vàng. Tháng. Now the A occurs at the end of the word. Ba. Ma. Ngã. Đá. Lá. Hoa. Quá. Quả. Loa. Qua loa. Tham lam. Canh cá. Đanh đá. Lác đác. Tác hại. Lát chanh. cam vàng. Now let's try to say some sentences with full of the a sound. I'm gonna do it in 3 steps. On first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. Then I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Bác Hà làm canh cá. Now a little bit faster. Bác Hà làm canh cá. Now with normal speed. Bác Hà làm canh cá. Nga đã hái quả cam vàng. Now a little bit faster. Nga đã hái quả cam vàng. Now with normal speed. Nga đã hái quả cam vàng. Anh bán 8 quả chanh. Now a little bit faster. Thanh bán 8 quả chanh. Now with normal speed. Thanh bán 8 quả chanh. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.